It is beautiful September 26th at 10:18 EST. It is Friday, the most challenging and the most difficult day of all. Fridays are extremely freaky. And we are short S&P, and here we are, 3 points later. We took a short because the bullish trend came to the end of the minor trend. The conflict remains in play. If you were in a trading room on Thursday, you know that I was taking only longs, and the long structure remained 24 hours later on S&P. And this is my beautiful trade. And this is where price finally breaking through to the downside. But the trading is extremely painful. 1962.50, pretty please. Adjust your trail even closer. Let's adjust our trail to 1965.25. 1965.25. I certainly hope and pray that you're respecting what smaller time frames are telling you. What they're telling you is incredible conflict remains. And if you know where the end of the minor trend, you would see extremely clearly. Well, what we are seeing currently is fight with equal buyers and equal sellers, and it ain't pretty. So if you want to be stuck in minor trends, you want to trade on Fridays. The only reason I like being here is confirming everything that we expected, which is ultimate torture and ultimate pain an hour after market open. Our initial short was extremely painful. After 15 minutes of torture, we moved the stop to break even. And here is after ultimate torture. Price crawled up to the end of the minor trend, and we took short. And now I see buyers picking up this steam. It's that simple. I expect to be out at any second. I'll be monitoring for another short. It is that simple. Oil remains in reversal zone. Once again reminding you, if you know the power of the price, and you finally waited for the confirmation, you had extremely marvelous short. And if you took the short, you would have to respect the end of the minor trend to the downside. The exact same thing we've done on CP to the upside. All the same formula. Extremely important and extremely critical to respect these levels that spell out where targets and where stops are. And if you ever ignore these levels, if you ever ignore the structure, you may be entering into a brick wall. One tick until my trail, which is well outside of break even. So how predictable is price? It came to reversal zone. 3 points later, we are out of S&P. But again, I'm remaining firm. Don't trade on Fridays. Trading is not investing. Trading is extremely serious business. Psychological comfort is everything. If you're a knowledgeable trader, you work Monday through Thursday, a couple of hours a day. You never, ever work last 2 weeks in December, last 2 weeks in August, and around major holidays such as Thanksgiving and Easter. And as expected, oil just reminded us the danger of acquiring position in reversal zone, as we're seeing very powerful selling pressure. If you take a look on 1 minute chart, and you would take a look on hourly, that's a reminder. That's the reason why we couldn't buy oil, because we knew at any moment very powerful selling pressure will step in, just like it finally had done so after trading room close yesterday, just like it finally rebounced from the end of the minor trend. Monitoring for short on oil, and that's it. That's the power of the price and Fibonacci. So here we are, 11:20 EST, and this is picture perfect reminder. Know your Fibonacci levels. know where the end of the minor trend is, and remember the danger of trading on Friday. Both trends are currently minor. Buyers are not powerful enough, and sellers are incredibly exhausted. And this is the exact same chop that's playing out since yesterday. Exact same reason we've been only buying S&P. So far this is what we accomplished this month on S&P as of today, September 26th. 25 trades, 20 positive. Most of these trades are 5 negative trades that break my heart. 3 of them were taken on Fridays. The other 2 were super duper aggressive. So if you don't take Fridays in aggressive trading, your results are even better. Oil remains incredibly stuck in reversal zone. Drastically different structure. This is the end of the minor trend on S&P, and this is the end of the major trend on oil. So massive, massive, massive chop until oil will pick up with selling pressure. You need to understand the danger of buying oil at these levels, as oil had been fighting selling pressure ongoingly from a reversal zone. So this is it. It's 11:22. We're off to teach Fibonacci class. I wish you a marvelous weekend, and I hope and pray that you keep your ego and greed in check and only trade Monday through Thursday. And just to confirm, this is what we've done on oil so far this month. 30 trades, 25 positive. So adios everybody. If you are not in education course, have a marvelous weekend. We're off to Fibonacci class. Ciao, kapao.